Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama.
All were fighting. For what? To please Duryodhana. And what Duryodhana wanted? To be happy. For sense gratification. So he is karmi. Karmis are also divided into three. Satkarmi, Asatkarmi and Vikarmi. Those who do the karma allowed in Veds, for father, mother, to donate something. Good, pious activities which has been told in Vedas. These are called Vedic karma. And against that good karmas is called vikarma, by which sin may come and you will have to test the bad activities, fruits. These are vikarma. And anyone not doing good karmas, then it is akarma. So akarma and vikarma both are bad. So Duryodhana and all his followers were in that category. But Bhishma Pitamaha not. He was Jnani Bhakta. He was above all. He only fought this war only to please Krishna. If he is not standing from the side of Duryodhana, war cannot be done. Because Duryodhana will say that, oh, we will be defeated, so we cannot. So only for Bhishma Pitamaha and Dronacharya he fought, and he knew that, oh, we will win the race. So they are all karmi, but Bhishma Pitamaha is not karmi, he is Jnani Bhakta. What is Jnani Bhakta? Knowing that Krishna is Supreme Personality of God. If I am
shoot him by
arrow, all this cannot touch because he is transcendental. So he is Jnani Bhakta. So all the soldiers and all were in life as karmi. Arjun was playing a role of karmi. First, I will not fight. But Krishna told that, oh, you must fight.
He cannot fight now, he will cut.
Or anyhow, all will be killed. And he began to give some
Advice.
First he told, be karma yogi. What is karma yogi? This is not bhakti. Karma yogi means only to have some relation, some connection with bhakti to karma. This is karma yoga with karma. To whom? Or all activities. With whom? Bhakti yoga. A little. So this is called what? Arog Siddha Bhakti. From very far away we will see Krishna. Arog Siddha Bhakti. These karma are not activities of bhakti. But if he will tell like this that, oh, we are doing for why? Then Krishna will happy and he will give a very good fruit for our activities and we will be very happy in this world. So this is karma yoga, not bhakti. And then he told that you should be Jnana yogi. What is Jnana yogi? Sthita pragasya ka bhasha samadhistasya keshava. And after that, prajahati jada kamana. And after that, just sarvar
काम संकल्प
काम
वर्जित
संकल्प वर्जिता. Jnanagni dagdha karmanam tamahu panditam. This is what? Gyan Yog. What is the meaning of Gyan Yog? This is also Arup Siddha Gyan Bhakti. This is also Arup Siddha. These are not Bhakti. So, we should try to give up both. But also Gyan Yoga and Karma Yoga is also so high things. If a man goes in the stage of Gyan Yoga, he will never quarrel for it. He will see what? That any gain or any loss, no harm. No harm. Because both are nashwar,
perishable.
perishable. And we should not be involved in that. Always happy. What he is doing? Without any sankalpa. What sankalpa? That I will be happy by doing so and I will gain something. This should not be done. But for bhakta, oh, he is more superior. Patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam, jeme bhaktya prayachati, tadaham bhaktu
अपृतम
apritama.
अस्नामि प्रजतापजनः.
But that patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam, karma yogi will not give like this. Also Gyan yogi will not give this like, but bhakti yogi. Patram, patra means tulsi patram, patram, pushpam, flowers,
Lotus flower.
pushpam, phalam, any fruit, toyam, water,
Ganges,
anything. And he will give with bhakti. Like Vidurani gave to Krishna. Like Sabari gave it to Ram. In this way. Though is it not high class of bhakti, but bhakti has begun here. After that, when sarvadharman patyajya mamekam saranam praja, then that becomes manmana bhava, madbhakto, madhyaji, mang namaskuru.
मामेव यस्यसि कौन्तेय
Mameva estyasi,
कौन्तेय सत्तं ते प्रतिजानोति.
Krishna is doing like a pratigya, taking oath. Manmana bhava, be like gopis. I will with the life and soul of be like that. Gopis are only example, none are example for manmana bhava. So a bhakt will be like that. But Arjun told that I cannot be like that in this practical way. I cannot. He told Madhbhakto, oh, you should be my bhakta. Then Shravadam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Vaidhi Bhakti. Manmana bhav, this is ragatmika. Manmana bhav means ragatmika. But how he will be if he will follow raganuga bhakti, then he will be ragatmika. When he will be mature and he will first serve siddhi and then bhakti. And if he is not following that, then he should come in Vaidhi Bhakti, Sramanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Pad, Shiva. But he cannot do it. Then what he should do? Manmanabha Madhbhaktam Madhyaji. Yaji means you can do archan. How archan? In Kanishka Adhikar. First is so highest, more than Uttam Adhikari. And then come in Madhyam Adhikar. And if you cannot do like this, then come in Kanishka Adhikar and you should worship and offer anything. Krishna. He told that I cannot even do.
Not possible for me.
Because you are telling to fight. So how can I do? Then even you can do pranam.
Krishna pranami na punarbhavaya.
If you are doing from heart,
Core of your heart.
then Krishna will take it. And at once he will quickly make you to cross all these things. And he will have not to take any birth and death and sorrow.
Dasasamedhi punarupi janma Krishna pranami na
If anyone doing lakhs and lakh pranam and yajna sacrifices, he may, but this one doing pranam, Krishna Kesha will never. So we are making here temple that anyone can do pranam to Krishna, and then he will easily, knowingly, unknowingly will be out of. So you are doing a very good thing for all the local persons. Anyhow, knowingly, unknowingly, they will come to Ananta Gaudiya Math and they will do pranam to Ananta, Baladev Prabhu.
After that, under guidance of
And
Ananta,
then
they will do pranam Radha
pranam to
Kanta.
Radha and Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Pranam. I want to go to the factory from where all are this coming.
The source of everything.
They will be Gokul Nagar.
Now we should go.
Have little breakfast for all.
There is a very good temple. When it will be completed, then you can go upside. Very beautiful. And there are some rooms. You will come and be here.
Ram.
Oh, you should make something that. Oh,
Sliding, yes.
Oh, so we should now
Yes.
They have,
quickly go.
they have some breakfast.
But they should bring at once.
Quickly bring some breakfast.
Everybody in rows.
Quickly, Rose.
Oh, wait, let him. You should take it. Since you came here, the Christmas tree's eyes have changed. Since you came, the baby's eyes have changed colour. They're becoming more blue, more and more blue every day you're there. One second. At first it was less brown. Like Radhika? Like Radhika?
Like a fire.
Sir?
Last time we were here, it was so hot.
Come closer. Stay closer, closer.
Come on. Vale, vale.
Oh, you can set mine down. I'll get it.
Like rice.
Like rice.
How can you not prove? Black rice. Sticky rice. Oh, I've written that to you.
You open it. Open it.